Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The biological actions of histamine on bronchial smooth muscles. H1 and H2 receptor agonist affect, they cause bronchoconstriction, but this constriction is depend upon species. In human it causes contraction, but in rabbits it produces bronchodilation. So the mechanism when this H1 is HQ, H2 is HS. When they stimulating protein kinase, there is increased calcium level, and this calcium causes contraction. Effect on the GIT smooth muscles. Again, the histamine cause contraction of GIT muscles. When there is CD, C for constriction, when there is contraction of the smooth muscle of GIT, there will be diarrhea. And when there is dilation of the smooth muscle of the GIT, there will be constipation. Remember CD and DC. CD, when there is contraction, contraction will produce diarrhea. When there is dilation, dilation will produce constipation. For example, morphine in GIT producing, morphine के लिए जो receptors है, they are known as GI. So GI receptors are inhibitory, and that inhibitory receptor producing dilation in the smooth muscle of the GIT. So that dilation leading to constipation. Now the triple response of histamine. This is the well-known action for the histamine. Triple response. Number one, if we inject intradermal histidine, the concentration obtained to 20 microgram, or if we simply rub the histamine on the skin, number first response will be red spot. Red spot is due to dilation of capillaries. This dilation of capillaries will create dilation of epithelial, and from the epithelial the fluid will come out. When there is dilation in capillaries, mean that blood is more in capillaries, so there will be red spot. With the passage of time, the red spot will change into the bright red color, which is due to the dilation of arteriole, and this is known as flare. This is sometime oedematous condition, edema, flare. After flare, this area will be spread with the skin, and this spreading of the red spot is known as wheal. So the triple response of histamine is red spot, flare, and wheal. The effect on secretory response. So histamine only affecting the secretion of GIT, that is, it increase the stomach acidity.